Welcome to Catpedia. I'm your trainer Priyanshu Gandhi and you are watching Catpedia YouTube channel. Before start, I would like to say please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for latest updates and share with your friends. Today I am going to tell you about the navigation tools. In this particular lecture, I will cover 4 basic terms, which is the first one, cursor, and the second is zoom, and the third is hand tool or pen, and the fourth is orbit tools. So now let's have a look at some of the navigation tools available in AutoCAD. So in AutoCAD, you need to use a 3-button mouse with left click, right click and scroll up and down for accessing the navigation tools. To activate any command, you need to select it from the corresponding tab and panel. So simply go to the command and left click and the command will now be activated. And once the command is active, you will notice that its name and also the instructions will be visible in command box, and also the name of command will be active in order to exit this. And now in order to zoom in and zoom out from the drawing, you simply need to rotate the mouse wheel. So here we have these 3 objects: triangle, rectangle and circle. Let's say that we want to zoom into this area of the drawing on the lower left of this triangle. For that, simply bring you closer to the lower left of the rectangle and now rotate the mouse wheel. And when you rotate the mouse wheel, it will zoom in, and when you rotate it in the opposite side, it will zoom out. And the center of zoom will be the point where you put your cursor. So in this case, if a moment goes to the top of the triangle, it will take this point as the center of the zoom, and we can zoom in and zoom out like this. And in order to use the zoom tools, simply select this small arrow right into the zoom tools, and we have multiple options for zooms. So you can select any of these options. For example, in this case of zoom extents, it's selected as default. So if you select zoom exist, the drawing will fit completely in the area provided. In order to pan or move this drawing or move this drawing in the drawing area, simply press and hold the mouse key and the screen will move toward the hand movement. And we also have another orbit option, which is useful for viewing or drawing more freely in different axes. And now we have View Cube. To use View Cube, simply click on the top of the View Cube, and here we have it in the default. If the angle is not correct, we can also correct by using this small arrow. So in this way, we can navigate in our drawings. And the lecture ends here. We will meet again with the next relevant topics. Thanks for listening. God bless you all.